Hey you guys, welcome to Spanish with Daddy Nel, and today we're going to be learning how to pronounce the vowels. Well, the first thing that you have to know is that in Spanish we have the same vowels that you guys have in English. The only difference is that the pronunciation is a little bit different. For example, let's start with the first vowel, which is A. A. You can get the sound correct from the word father. The word father has the same pronunciation of the vowel A in Spanish and in English. Now let's check some Spanish word where the A is. So like in the word amor, which means love, and the word amigo, which means friend, and the word árbol, which means tree, and the word avión, which means plane, and in the word agua, which means water. Okay, now let's go with the second word, the second vowel, which is A. Okay, and an English word that has the same pronunciation for the vowel is the word met, met, and now let's go through some Spanish words so you can see the pronunciation. Espejo, which means mirror. Elefante, which means elephant. Entrada, which means entrance. Estrella, which means star. Escuela, which means school. And let's get moving. Let's go to the next one. The vowel E. So just so you have this in mind, I know in English there are like several kinds of E sounds. I mean of I sound, that would be for you. But okay, in Spanish we only have one sound for each vowel. Okay, and this is for E. Some English words that have the same pronunciation are like sky, E. Also, C. It has the same pronunciation. You have to focus on the purity of each of these vowels. Some Spanish words, so you can see the pronunciation of this vowel. Isla, which means island. Idea, which means idea. Iglesia, which means church. Inglés, which means English. Imagen, which means image. This one is the vowel O. Again, you can get the sound of this vowel in some English words, like in the word note. Okay, see it right there? Note. We all, for this vowel, and it's the same for the other ones, we only have one sound for each vowel. Now let's go through some Spanish words so you can practice this vowel. The word oso, which means bird. The word hola, which means wave. Hola, which with an H could also means hola, like hi. Orquesta, which means orchestra. Ojo, which means eye. Océano, which means ocean. Last one is the vowel U. And you can find this in words like moon, book. So now let's review some Spanish words so you can see how it's pronounced. Okay, the word uva, grape. Uva, útil, useful. Universo, universe. Urgente, urgent. Uno, one. This is the lesson for today, and if you want, like, play this video again and say every single word that I pronounce in this video in Spanish, so you can master the pronunciation for each vowel. Okay, now let's do some practice. For the vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Now let's say them together. A, e, I, o, u. See how I place my lips, my mouth? A, e, I, o, u. Okay, I hope it helps. And if you have any comment, something that you didn't understand, please let me know in the comments so I can improve in my next lesson. I'll be posting new lessons. I'm gonna try to post new lessons like every single week, so you can learn some Spanish. And well, thank you guys.